moving 8 miles, my goodness, people are going to be with you. They're not going to leave. At the end of the day, people want stability.
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the day, people do not like change. They don't, generally speaking, like risk. And moving, changing jobs, moving to a different company takes a lot of courage. And so, and I didn't even look at it that way. I was just like, we're only moving 20 miles. There are people there. People are going to come with us, especially initially. It was only 20 miles, 24 miles, whatever it was. But I'm like, at least I've got at least 6 months to manage, right? Or to build up a new workforce if that's what I need to do.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I mean, and over time, the people who were traveling greater distances, left and whatever. But it was not all at once, etc. So it was not a big hurdle in my mind, and I know it is in a lot of business owners' minds. And then you get the questions from your employees. Well, I have to drive farther. Are you going to increase my pay? And
yeah.
right, and those kinds of things. It's taking me 15 minutes now instead of 10. Are you going to increase my pay?
I got three stoplights to go through instead of one now.
Yeah.
And that's a concern too. And I have always held my ground, and my friends who have moved, I've been like, just hold your ground and just be firm and consistent with everyone.
Right. Now, since we do talk a lot about generations on the show, has your workforce changed generationally throughout the different moves?